Hello everyone. Thank you for watching video tutorial of Hongfa Intelligent Programming Software. In this video, I will present you how to program 4-axis toolpath by several parts. Firstly, open and input model file. Since in this case, our model is special shaped and very complicated, in order to make you easier to program this very complicated model and to avoid unnecessary mistakes, I will show you how skills and shortcuts to do it. My suggestion is firstly to create new model, a conical frustum. We then zoom the stalk into smaller size, and we will see hollowed out parts like this. The hollowed out parts are very important to us. We will use them to generate our toolpath by using software functions to cover them. I won't repeat how to initial toolpath and the roughing this time because they are easy, so I go directly to the finishing toolpath part. We need to observe the model very carefully. For example, there are several parts of this model, and the curve is very dramatic and sharp here. First part is ought to be from knees to the feet. Basically, the position is about 210. Second part is generally from neck to the hump. The position reaches 395. Because it is a very big hump, so we start program the model by separate it into 3 parts. First thing, we should create a toolpath. Set tool as a ball nose cutter. Machining strategy as 4 axis. Step over as 1. Lateral thickness as 0. Skipping height as 5. Rotating direction as alternative. Then click Auto Calculation. Here we see the maximum value calculated is 623. Since earlier we make 210 only, so here we change it to 210. Click Yes. Software helps you produce a cross section from knees to the feet. As you can see on the screen, we still can adjust a little bit and click Yes to start calculation. We choose finishing cutter this time when toolpath calculated, because this toolpath is quite smooth, and then we continue to the second part. Name another toolpath as toolpath 2. When we start to initiate the second pass, set 2 as finishing kata, machining strategy as full exhaled, step over as 1, lateral thickness as 0, skipping height as 5, and alternative rotation direction. The maximum value calculated is 623, and be careful here, just now we made the value as 395 in order to leave safe space to the toolpath when there is any upward moves. Meanwhile, the maximum value ought to be set as 394.8. Next, we proceed to the third part. Name it as 2 pass 3. Next, we proceed to the third part. Name it as 2 pass 3. 2 as finishing kata, machining strategy as full exit, step over as 1, lateral thickness as 0, skipping height as 5, alternative rotating direction. When calculation finishes, keep the maximum value same and the minimum value change to 394.8. So far, the two paths of 3 parts are generated successfully, which means we have finished separated full Excel 2 paths already. We put them into an NC folder, save our project file, and then save them into a new folder. We next click and input NC code on activated root. When window pops out, click Yes. And input name of the file as you like. And now I happily tell you that these 2 paths are ready for your Hongfa machine. And you are watching Hongfa Intelligent Programming Software. So for any inquiry, please visit www.hongfask.com, www.hongfask.com.